Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.
Hi, this is the unboxing of the Ringke Fusion X for iPhone 17 Pro case. Heavy-duty X-frame, with full coverage camera protection, shock-absorbent protective cover with non-slip side grip in black. This case has shock-absorbing X-designed frame and raised edges to improve drop protection. Also, it combines yellowing-resistant TPU bumper and scratch-resistant PC back. The custom fit is precise with cutouts for camera, all ports and buttons for full protection. The secure grip has micro-dot embossed sides that delivers a secure, non-slip hold. Additional features: it is compatible with cross-body strap and wireless charging. Customers find the phone case to be of good quality and appreciate its protective features, particularly the camera protection and raised corners that shield the screen. They like that it can survive multiple drops on the back. The case fits well, provides good grip, and customers find it comfortable to hold. They consider it good value for money. Hope you liked this video. Have a nice day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.